Greetings, parents. We know that all of you are anxiously waiting for the preschools to reopen. But unfortunately, due to these unprecedented times, the preschools will not be reopening physically, keeping the best interest of the young ones at heart. Parents, please understand that making the child stay at home for their safety is important, but depriving them of fun and learning will hamper their growth. Learning is a process. I'm sure we all will agree to this, and at any step, if there is a long, unwanted halt, it will be difficult to get the child back in line with his or her peers. Online classes also give a chance to the child to bond with his or her peers, enjoy learning together, and to enjoy some fun time with friends, which he/she is severely missing at the moment. These bonding opportunities are very important for the child's socio-emotional development and are a requirement at this time. Schools have been closed for last 7 months, but the child's development does not halt. He/she needs a lot of stimuli to build stronger connections. In these very important formative years, that is 1 to 6 years, when the child's brain develops the maximum at phenomenal speed, parents, how much ever they try, are not able to provide those stimuli at home. These stimuli are offered to a certain extent by the online interaction and the app-based curriculum. It also gives the child a almost school-like routine, which is again very important for preschoolers. So before giving up on online education completely, look at all the pros and cons. And to help you understand this, let's take an example. Say, if your child is 3 years old, what all he learns? He learns to hold the pencil in tripod grip, learns to write their ABCs. They also learn phonic sounds, learn to read 3-letter sight words, learns counting numbers 1 to 100, learns to write numbers 1 to 50, and values up to 20. They also learn few concepts like big, small, tall, short, heavy, light, etc. Above needs to be done at an age-appropriate pace and requires the whole academic year for the child to master it. It's major academic part of the curriculum for a 3-year-old, and when the child is of 4 years and moves to the next class, we consider this to be their previous knowledge about the given topic or subject. So don't let the learning stop. Please consider online classes the best possible schooling alternative till the schools open physically. We do not know how long that will take, but we promise to keep you updated at all times. But if we consider the child's safety, we should give the pandemic that much time to subside. Meanwhile, we are prepared for that, and we are glad to say that online classes are going very well. For the past 5 months, and our resilient children have taken to them like fish to water. Hats off to them and our frontline warriors, our teachers. For any queries or to understand more, please connect with us. Details are in the below description box. Thank you.